turn on the green apple layer, that small apple in the position that it's in the design looks really small, doesn't it? Remember when we talked about scale in a design? And this apple is closer to us than this apple. This apple has to be bigger. So if we do a Command T to transform that apple, we can make the apple bigger. And we would make it bigger than the apple behind it over here because it's closer to us in the design. Things that are closer to us are usually bigger. Let's press return. If you said that this new design with this big apple over on the bottom right makes the design look a little unbalanced, you would be correct. What's happening here is we have something on the bottom right, rule of thirds, but then we're lacking something up here in the top left rule of thirds. We have negative space. So if you wanted to keep that apple here and balance the design, you would crop the design again. Let's get the crop tool and crop it down and press return. Now the design looks a little more balanced because the head of the action figure is balancing the apple using the rule of thirds. Now we could make that action figure a little bit bigger by doing a transform, Command T, and make that action figure just a little bit bigger and press return. Now the design looks really balanced using the rule of thirds. The next thing we have to do is add shadows to these objects to make them look like they're in the space, like they're really there. This lesson will continue in the next video.